The Loquat tree, healing, breath, and the hidden wisdom in its leaves. Peace to the remnant. I'm standing here with the Loquat tree that grows on this land. This is a gentle tree, but it carries a deep assignment. And today, I want to speak about its health benefits, its metaphysical meaning, and the research surrounding its leaves. Because everything the Creator placed on the land has purpose. Nothing is random. Nothing is wasted. The loquat is one of the first trees to offer fruit in the year. It shows up early. It brings provision before the season even feels ready. And that alone tells you something about its spiritual signature. The loquat is a tree of early mercy, early nourishment, and early restoration. But the leaves, these are where the hidden wisdom rests. For generations, people have used loquat leaves to soothe the lungs, calm coughs, and support the respiratory system. The leaves carry compounds that help reduce inflammation, ease irritation, and bring clarity back to the breath. And breath is life. Breath is spirit. Breath is the first gift the Creator ever gave to man. When a tree strengthens the breath, it is not just working on the body. It is working on the inner man. It is clearing the pathways where life force flows. It is helping the soul release what has been held too tightly. It is restoring the rhythm of being alive. Loquat leaves also contain triterpenes and antioxidants, compounds that researchers study for how they interact with inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular protection. Now hear me clearly. This is not a cure, and I'm not offering medical claims. But I am acknowledging what the research is exploring. And I am acknowledging what the Creator often hides: wisdom in the quiet places, inside the leaves, inside the bark, inside the things we walk past every day. Metaphysically, the loquat is a purifier. It clears stagnant energy. It cools the heat of emotional unrest. It brings the body and the spirit back into alignment. This is a tree that teaches you how to breathe again, how to release, how to soften, how to return to yourself. And for those who walk with the land, who listen to the wind, who pay attention to the signs, the Loquat is a reminder that healing doesn't always come with noise. Sometimes healing comes quietly. Sometimes healing comes early. Sometimes healing comes through the gentle things the Creator planted right beside you. So as I stand here with this tree, I honor its assignment. I honor the breath it restores. I honor the wisdom in its leaves. And I honor the way the land continues to teach those who are willing to listen. This is the Loquat, a purifier, a restorer, a quiet healer placed on the land for such a time as this.